Students, today our topic is fractions and decimal. We were doing this chapter. Okay, now today we will discuss about the multiplication of a fraction. How we will do the multiplication of the two fraction. Suppose that I have first fraction 3 upon 5 and the second fraction is 2 by 7. Here I had taken the two example. First one is this one and second I had taken like this. Clear? Okay, now I want to tell you one thing, that here I am using the sign of the multiplication and here I am using the sign of. Clear? Both of these always indicate as a sign of a multiplication. Multiply and of, these two signs always indicate as a sign of multiplication. Clear? Okay, now how we will do the multiplication? Now let's take example 3 by 5 into 2 by 7. We have to multiply these two fractions. Now firstly, this 3 and this 2 is the numerator of this fraction. 5 and 7 are the denominator of the fractions. Clear? The numerator is multiplied by the numerator and the denominator we will multiply with the denominator. Means to say 3 into 2 will be 6 and 5 into 7 will be 35. And this 6 upon 35 is your answer. Clear? On the second question, 7 upon 15. Firstly, we will change this off into a multiplication. Clear? 7 upon 15 multiply 2 upon 6. We have to multiply these two fractions. Same procedure we will follow it. Numerator multiply with the numerator and denominator we will multiply with the denominator. Then 7 to multiply will be 14 and 5 15 multiply 6 will be 90. Then 14 upon 90 is your answer. Clear? Okay, now in another way, if I will take one example 2 upon 6 into 3 upon 4. I had taken this example by 3 upon 4. Clear? Here I have the two fractions. 2 upon 6 multiply 3 by 4. If the numerator can cut with denominator, then we can cut these two numbers. How we can cut it? 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. Is it clear? Now 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3. What's remaining now? 1 multi 1 upon 1 multi 4. And one thing I want to tell you, that here we can cut only numerator with the denominator. We can't cut with the numerator to numerator or denominator to denominator. We can't do like in this way. Only we can do numerator and denominator. One numerator and one denominator we can cut to each other. Clear? Okay, now 1 multiply 1 will be 1 and 1 multiply 4 will be 4. Then your answer will be 1 by 4. Clear? Another in journal way we can do like this also. 2 by 6 multi 3 by 4. Firstly we can do the multiplication of the numerator by numerator. 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 20. Now 3 by 12 is your answer, but you have to check that we can reduce this into again a lowest term or not. See, 3 upon 12 is here. We can reduce into a lowest term. How we can reduce is 3 and 12. Both numbers are going on a table of 2. That's why we can cut with the table of 3. Clear? Table of 3, sorry. 3 ones are 3, 3 4s are 12, 1 by 4 and the 1 by 4 is your answer. Because of the 1 by 4 we can't reduce into a lowest term. Okay, now we will discuss about the multiplication of two mixed fraction. If we have a two mixed fraction like this, 2 1 by 5 and 3 1 upon 6. These two mixed fraction and we have to multiply these two fraction. How we will do it? According to the rule 1, mixed fraction change into improper fraction. Firstly we will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction, and in the second step we will do the same procedure. Means to say numerator multiply with numerator and denominator multiply with the denominator. Clear? Okay, now come on the question. 2 1 upon 5. Firstly change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How we will change this improper into mixed into improper? Firstly we will do the multiply of these two numbers. 2 5 into 2. Firstly we will do the multiplication of these two numbers, then we will add the numerator, addition of 1. Clear? Numerator will be same here. Clear? On the second also we will same procedure follow it. 6 into 3 multiply, then addition of the one numerator, and denominator here is 6, then we can write the denominator of a 6. Clear? Okay, now 5 into 2 will be 10 and plus 1 is here. 10 plus 1 becomes 11 upon 5. Now 6 3s are 18 plus 1 will be 19 upon 6. Now our statement is 11 upon 5 and 19 upon 6. Now we have to multiply these two fractions. Same procedure, numerator multiply with numerator and denominator multiply with the denominator. 11 multiply 19 will be 209 and 6 into 5 will be 30, and our answer is 209 upon 30. Clear? If you want to reduce this into a lowest term, then you can go for it. Clear? Okay, now if I will tell you about, if you have the question like this, 4 upon 15 multiply only 2 is here. Clear? If you have a question like this, 4 by 15 into 2, if you have a question like this, then how you will do the multiplication of these two? Firstly, you have to make this 2 as in a fraction form. Clear? Then if I will write here 1, then there is no change in this number, that's why I had written here 1. Clear? I can write it. Now we can do multiplication of these two numbers. Same procedure, numerator multiply with numerator, 4 2s are 8, and denominator we can multiply with the denominator. 15 multiply 1 will be 15. Clear? Okay, next is, if you have a question like this, 4 by 5 multiply 0. Same procedure, only 0 is here. I can write 1 here. Now numerator multiply with numerator, denominator multiply with the denominator, and 0 divided by 5, as you know all that, 0 divided 5 will be 0. 0 is your answer. Clear? Okay, thanks and have a nice day. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.